right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu tena. And if you're new, can you don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join this amazing family. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one baby food recipe that I usually cook for my baby. And for lunch, I'm gonna be making her some pumpkin mixed with potatoes, carrots, gourget, cauliflower, and some broccoli. And also I'm gonna be making her some porridge, which she's going to be drinking in the morning and at 4 p.m. And also I'm gonna be making her some apple juice, which is going to represent fruits. So for all the food, I usually just make sure that I've blended it so that it's easier for her to eat and swallow. And also for the apples, since she doesn't have teeth yet, I usually just blend it so that I just get the juice out of it. Thank you guys for watching till the end. I hope that you've learned a new recipe, especially for the first time moms. I'll see you guys in my next one.